You see people them big and you have to wonder if I really TV or them pan or them turn up in front
you. I have to go afraid in my house.
You know,
big blood clot, giant man in my house. Me go down and get afraid. Yeah.
As you can see, is another bawdacat video. Hope you guys have a laugh with me, because you know so me gonna skin my teeth them. Let's jump right into it. Poof! Ow.
The money I come from camp paper. Cause you know, when Mr. Bailiff man come, you know, a disgrace that pan in our community, you know.
If he can come in my yard.
What stop him? Then him not come with police.
Police them can pass me to big dog.
So them shoot them.
Big dog?
Then not take prison you go, that a thief.
You shoot me
You
dog?
have courts goods and have dog Lego.
Yes.
Yeah man, that a thief man. Them shoot them. Cause if me the police, them are dead. Then no more. And if me see you, me shoot you, carry you up too. Then where the blood clot, you Lego dog and you know you owe courts. We come out see you a couple times already before we try come in.
We hide.
Then we now come in, come take the goods them out, you have dog Lego. We want we goods them, bro.
So nothing good, nothing with dog, man.
Hey.
Me not protect, me not protect me yard. So, what me I say, Ken?
Me a back courts.
Yeah, but what me I say
Yeah,
now?
me no matter where you are, say, me a back courts.
Yeah, but what me I say
Cause
now?
courts will make you live happy. And at the same time, you flap yourself. So you have to live up to the happiness where courts can give. Yeah, cause you don't have to have money if you go there now, go get nothing for trust. You get things for trust and live comfortable for Christmas. Then New Year's, you know, want to live so.
You know, man.
You know, want to live so new for the year.
No, me just want to know me have a happy Merry Christmas. Roll from
So you worship Christmas.
And can't jump off of this bed.
So you worship Christmas.
Then everybody are doing something have to follow the line.
No,
brother.
not everybody. Me not worship
Majority of
Christmas.
people
No,
are
not everybody.
worship.
Me just want to know say yard comfortable. So if TV did you have to nap back, you go get a good one, brother, where you can watch good. And you take time pay for.
Hey.
You want good bed, you go for and you take time pay. You know how much blind that you get where you can go pay a little.
You want to me a trust in a cat? Broad like
Yeah,
one
cause you
corner
not
house,
plan
you know.
for pay for. So
Like
you
TV
take
there.
one where you know say you know what's the size money.
Cause when me put
Yeah.
it on my wall, you know, brother, I cover one side of the wall, you know, cat. And my bed, you know, you have to lick out the doorway.
And that's why
You
you
go
need
in,
to
you
go
know.
town and see that something there. And a man say, they would have what, you know, and you did say that. Me say, the blood clot, me a do that in my house.
Oh,
Me a-
you dig on TV there.
Me a run theater. Where me a do that in my house.
Me a run theater. What me I do with that in my house? But for real though, man, that is embarrassing. When you see the courts truck are coming in a local community and it's not furniture, them a drop off. I pick them and come pick up furniture. And you not sell furniture. You neighbor not sell furniture. A repo. Them a come repo their thing. Like a car. Oh my gosh. Me no wish that upon nobody. I've seen it happen before and people have to scramble and get money from neighbor, friend, this and that. If you pay a bailiff man. Oh my god, that is embarrassing. But yeah, cat, you just want one nice big screen TV. Probably want 62 in your room. I want 82 in your living room. You know I'm more than that, in my opinion. Christmas, celebrate New Year, man. Not celebrate Christmas. Anyways, we'll continue.
You don't need such a big something for me and mom's watch. Me what?
They not see man and the woman, them big funny man.
Me alright seeing them look like a little ice cream something there on the place.
You see people, them big and you have to wonder if I really TV or them pan or
You
them
know
turn up
I
in
see
front
nothing
of
when me have to go afraid in my house.
you. You know, see?
Big blood clot, giant man in my house, me go down and get afraid. Yeah. Me easy I watch me like a flat screen, they good.
So what
Yeah.
me I say now, cat? Like how Cartel are the world boss. And you are the world star. You don't feel like you should have brushed on a little color upon your face?
Oh man.
Me ask you, say, if you don't brush on look like lighter color upon your face.
For my face?
Yes.
True what me no want look like you.
You don't really look like me, man.
No
boy.
man, me good with that looks, yeah man.
You don't want to get one daylight look on your face.
Me have it already. Me have daylight, morning and night.
You,
Yeah,
want
man.
you want a lighter look, man.
Me for what?
Eh?
True what reason and what cause.
Make when a man see in a dark night, you come like a moonlight and shining on
No
your
man,
face.
me wear bright clothes. So in a dark night, them see me good. Yeah, man.
Clothes them a see.
You notice me like white.
What type of face?
Yeah, man. Me no want me face.
You say you want some cream? Yeah.
No,
get a lighter complexion.
Me face. Me face.
Yeah.
No, brother. No, brother. Then I want go give me that.
You don't brush on a little color, man?
No, sir.
But the color selling up.
Me no want it. Me no want it.
You don't want it?
No.
So you don't want a little daylight look. You can get rid of a little midnight look.
No, you see, me try to go change from who me is. Me no believe that I go good for me.
Why?
Me is just who me is already. I mean, I want to be like Professor Nuts. Me no want to be like Bounty Killer. Me no want to be like Cartel. Me no want to be like nobody. Me just want to be like bawdacat.
Just want to be yourself.
Yeah, just bawdacat. And I saw me come, I saw me stay, I saw me turn, and I saw me I go. You understand me? I saw me like. Yeah, and you may find so the audience like it so when me I go try change it from, change the flavor from them, who know me white?
You know hit you do
then
now?
when me I go to run me people them from me know when me look white, nobody no know me white, you know. So when me I go to get white.
But nobody know Cartel white, and he
well,
white.
It take long for me know him when him white.
And he will run with him and love him white.
Well, I say go, me no need nobody to run with me again. More we are run with me, love me like how me easier now.
Exactly, bawdacat. Why would you want to go bleach now? Yo, to each their own. Everybody are grown people, they can do whatever they want. But people who alter their skin, we just can't respect them. Mother lovers are pink. Why? But you see this song where Buju Banton sing back in the 90s. Me love me car, me love me bike, me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me browning. Yeah, man, I found this way, man, they stop bleach and then Buju have to come back in the studio and say, me no stop cry for all black woman. Big things are going for no complexion. And then, me no remember who sing the song, them a bleach. Right after Buju sing the song there. Them a bleach out their skin and now bleaching is like a norm. Back in the days, you used to be ridiculed if you're bleaching. No, if you're not bleaching, you're ridiculed. You're praised to be bleaching. But big up bawdacat. No bleaching. And bawdacat love Cartel, but that means a man gonna do everything with Cartel though. That's nuts. Anyways, fire upon bleaching. You know date bleacher girls? Nope, never.
So if somebody out there will want to see me white, them have to go stay till that coming out another
dimension.
Yes, brother. That I would know.
Yes, you don't bleach no face. I get cool like Christmas. That means
yes.
Cool.
Yeah. Then you want a more cool and Portland, them a cool breeze, yeah, where you blow ya. You just feel cool and nice like you live a river and sea. Where more
cool
coolness me want?
Rub on some cream and
maybe
something.
lose little lotion and rub down cement, man. Come work on site, you know. Yes, so me use lotion.
When you have up on site at the end, you dress up in your long sleeve.
Yeah, me work in a long sleeve.
You only for sun for the daylight.
No, me supposed to can't take sun, brother. Me no in a daylight look. No, me good. Me nice with this. What make you think make me be bawdacat?
What make?
Guess.
But true, you're a comedian, man, and you're full of vibes and only for quam to give people them so they like you.
I'm a vice.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm in face and my skin I need nothing for rub to it. Where that I got do?
But I say every star try to do something for uplift, you know, man.
Uplift?
Yes.
No, man, are the words where you talk uplift and the song where you sing. Uplift you, so you me put in more lyrics and me get bigger pay, bigger bookings. Yeah. You understand me? Bigger company, all of them something they reach out to me more. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, but me not have no. If you go hard on, if me feel like color up here. Yeah, cause here no have no shame.
They say you love the texture of your skin.
Yeah.
You don't want your face white like your shirt.
True, woman.
When bawdacat step down the sun and that, them say, oh, wait. I would white man this.
Then you know, see them I say that already, I'm in a white.
White face.
When I step down, people I say, who that?
Then I feel fight for see you.
Yeah, me don't need that. My clothes bright when me have on, man.
Me a eat. My clothes bright when me have on, man. And me love wear white. I mean bawdacat. No bleaching to the eye skin. You know what crazy? The prettiest, the most beautiful woman, girl, lady, female, whatever you want to call her, because it was like 15 years ago, I've ever dated was a dark-skinned female. Pretty girl, may I tell you. Pretty girl. And years past, me live overseas. They're Jamaica, we left long time, whatever. And she run across my mind the other day. I mean, a man when I use Facebook. And my notification come up on my phone on Facebook. And usually I don't touch that like a month. I don't go on Facebook. She up on my mind from when. I click on the notification. Didn't know what. A fear profile. I see she upload pictures of a family member. None of her. So I say, let me go on her page, go see what's going on. And me with my fast self, scroll down. The once pretty black girl, the prettiest woman, female that I've ever dated, ever messed with, has now become an ugly, half-white or half-white chick. Bleach. Me couldn't believe the girl spoiled up her skin, her face, everything gone. The girl ugly now. I'm like, God damn, man, this bleaching thing out of control. I know, star. Anyways, like a video for me. Share the video with your bleaching friend or your friend who doesn't bleach. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, stay safe. God bless.